welcome to my channel. Here's an update on my brother's keeper. Ukhathazile is worried ukuthi Umshengu did not give them his blessings, so she's thinking that maybe they should postpone or cancel the ceremony. But Donga's like, no, we're not doing that. We already paid imali, siyachubeka la. And then and to get dolled up no Fakazile. And then Ndomiso tells Utoba he needs to break up with Udidi. Utoba wencaba till death do them apart. That's okay. I'm gonna give you an ultimatum. Either I break up with Didi, or else I'm getting both of you fired on the rocks. Nzohamba no jola under a bridge like I'm a par. And then Kwamshengu, his sisters are getting ready, no Ndomiso, no Toba to go to the ceremony. But Umshengu is saying he's not going and he forbids them from going also. But then they refuse bahamba but there's no way they're not gonna go and support Donga no Khathazile. Acasweke Umshengu calls the family lawyer Hlatshwayo, says to Hlatshwayo umndeni wakhe nje umboni since uMamchuna is alone, so he wants to take everything even under his possession because he's not gonna let abantu abangamvalue inherit izinto zakhe. And then the ceremony continues, starts Yeva renewal. They're all looking beautiful, the Shabalala brothers. And then Ukhathazile walked in by indodana yakhe uSibusiso. She's looking beautiful. And then she wrote beautiful vows. Donga together. They wrote beautiful vows for each other. Ukhathazile uzomhlonipha, uzomthanda. She just asking him ukuthi alide. And then Donga Shem said an emotional vow saying that they've been through a lot. He has done a lot of mistakes. He has wronged her a lot, not once, not twice, but many times. But Ukhathazile nje has been with him since, and is grateful for that. Uzomthanda and protect her until the end. And then they have the night ceremony, they dance kumnandi. And then Umshengu shows up, greeting everyone. The next thing he says that, addresses the crowd, the guests, saying that Umamchunu is not here because she's normal, but his kids don't love Umamchunu. That's why they're continuing the celebration here, even though Umamchunu is normal. Caused the havoc, started breaking things, destroying the flowers. They had to stop him, stop on Ndomiso, so he refused. As Donga. And he messed up the whole place. And then they tried to restrain him. Babonke, the brothers, Donga, Ndomiso, and Nqubeko. No Toba to take him outside. Ukhathazile was so disappointed and hurt, saying, what did I do to Umshengu? Why is he ruining my wedding like this? She was so hurt. And then also they were concerned, saying that the way Umshengu, they don't think it's okay to leave him alone. So they're just gonna take turns and I kaya for a month, and exchange like that so that he has someone at least with him. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.